Hi everyone, welcome to Little Crafts. Today we are going to see how to make a Mother's Day greeting card. Let's start. Take a color A4 sheet and fold it into half. Draw and cut as shown for face. Cut the black paper and paste it for hair. Now our Mother's Day greeting card is ready. Thank you. After watching this video, please like, comment your feedback in the comment section, share with your friends and family and subscribe our channel. Click on the bell button to receive the notification.